So somebody want to walk us through how you would do this? Because we need to take, for example, starting with the hundreds place, we need to take 9 hundredths, and here we only have 7. Yeah?
You could exchange the rod.
Okay, so let's take this and put 10 here. Okay. And now what?
And then you can
Take away 9, right? So all order left. So we're left with 8. So far so good. Okay, now what do we do with the tens place?
Yeah. Exchange one of the flats for 10 rods.
Okay. So let's get rid of this flat. And exchange it for 500. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright. And what do we need to take away from this? 7. Okay. Take away those 3 up there. And those 4. Okay. So we are left with 5, right? And then from this, what do we need to take away? 1 flat. So we just get rid of that flat. And our answer is point, right? Because this was tens and this was hundreds, so 0.58, which is what we got up here. Good job. All right, so this is one way that you could teach your students how to think about decimal places, right? We just change the values of the base 10 block. What other ways can you think of that you could show your students? How could you, what tricks could you use to help teach them decimals? What examples could you give? Yeah?
I thought of like different colors of the blocks.
Okay, so you could change the colors of the blocks. Maybe this color is tens, this color is hundreds. Okay, that would work. Yeah?
Money.
Money is an awesome one, right? As soon as I put the $sign here and here, suddenly the kids are interested. Hey, this has to deal with money. So money is also a great way because kids from really young learn to deal with money. You know, since they're 4 and they're losing their teeth and getting quarters from the tooth fairy. So money is a great way to go ahead and also show kids how to work with decimals. Show them that they've already learned how to work with decimals. All right, so these are some things you could do with your students, and you practice this a lot, right? Today, we just wanted to do a little bit, kind of break the surface on the decimals, but realize that it's the same process that you were doing before. We're just changing our place values, right? Because before we were doing things like this, where there were 3-digit numbers, and putting the decimal in there doesn't really change the process. So that's kind of what you need to help them realize. Okay? Great. So that's the first part of today. Now we're going to work on a little bit of algebra. So instead of just working with numbers, we're also going to work with x's and y's, right? If you want to put away your base 10 blocks, we're going to need to divide into 6 or 7 different groups. Okay. Let's do it this way. Let's do each of these 4 rows as a group. So that's 4, 5. Okay, you in the back of the group, you can come up here with you too, and I'll pass out a different kind of block that are called the algebra blocks. So a kind of block that will help us do